Richard Gizzard. Smack, smack, smack. Pop them eyeballs like a candy snack.
Pop them eyeballs like a candy snack. Too bad Grandpa ain't evil. It's the best he ever was. This hitchhiker. Yeah, baby victim players, huh? Oh, we got 2 blood buckets over here too. Damn, we got lucky this game.
Listen,
got
if shit goes haywire,
very lucky this game.
it's secluded, but you gotta start being careful.
Gotta stop being
You ain't looking
careful.
too bad.
Oh, I got 2 doors open now. Oops. Oh, I should have put this over here.
Welcome to our funny farm. Me and the fam don't mean no harm. It'll be tough toenails now.
Someone running over there by the garage. Oh my god, they took the blood bucket, bro. That's so bad. Hello, Connie. There's 2 of them over here, what the hell? That's 3 of them over here.
Oh yeah, love me some prime
Instantly go back to the basement. Fuck. Love me some prime meat. So I only got 7 blood for hitting him, dude. They're fucking taking all the blood buckets. Man, dude.
Don't get no crazy. That's my sweet meat.
That's my meat, sweet. Did I hear their voice lines so much? Hello.
Feels good.
Feels good, don't it?
Yeah, cold.
What's she doing? Hold still. Wow, I can't go through. Gotcha. Peekaboo. Watch out, watch out. Peekaboo. I see you.
1 and a 2. Come on.
1 and a 2 and a 3. We're trolling so hard right now. Life that's already gone, baby.
Y'all staying's about to get much,
Much,
much
much
worse.
Yeah, these guys are new. They haven't like tried escaping like basically at all.
We sure are
The
hungry.
Phantom of the Opera.
Come on out.
Dude, how's that miss? Come on, bro. How does that miss, bro? Dude, Bones is so slow. Holy shit. My god. Hello. Uh. Another guy guys on the silver door. Come back. Come back, come back. Get him, Johnny, get him. Yeah, Get him, get him, get him. Oh, we're teleporting now. Nice, nice. I like it, I like it. Oh my god, they shut the door. They shut the door. Hoo-hoo, we are cooking now. Hoo-hoo, we are cooking now.
Just living towards dying anyway, so get on with it.
I got it. I got it. Peekaboo.
I can hear y'all. You might want to dummy up. Bad to the bone. Bad for your bones.
Huh. Alright, we're actually gonna kill all of them. What the hell? How? Such a is not watching his traps at all.
You ain't looking too bad. Boom time.
Shit, Whispering Grandpa's here.
Let's just see where this little trail leads me.
That's my sweet meat.
That's my meat, sweet.